Just the chicken plow. You tell me what else is on the menu, please, sir, for today.
I got this here modern technology. This here modern VCR, and it's broken. Find out what's wrong with my VCR. Well, everything in here seems to be okay. Well, let's plug it in. Turn it on. Watch this. Look, it thinks it's playing a tape. That's pretty cool. If I slide this little random foam thing in there, it'll continue to think it's playing a tape. Then I can prod around on the circuit board and try to fix it. It seems to have stopped spinning. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with me prodding around. Look, it started spinning again. It's starting to smell kind of burnt. It smells funny. It's turned off. Oh no. Now it doesn't do anything. What have I done to it? There doesn't seem to be a lot holding this together. Oh, I missed a screw. Dun 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 dun.
Hello?
Oh, still big. Well, there's our beautiful tape mech. Look at that, ain't she pretty? That doesn't show why it's broken. No, this all seems pretty legit. No, I think it's... I don't know. I think I'm imagining things. I'm fairly certain this is a perfectly good VCR still. Oh, forgot to put the pinch roller in. All fixed.